Hey guys, first of all, I want to say that this is the day two of the series where I will daily solve Leetcode questions to become a guardian. Let's go. No. So today I will solve this question. Uh, my God, where is? How do I make date two here? Linked list. Okay, this is linked list. Then this. This is also linked list, but it is date two. Date created. Okay. No date modified. Eh? Okay. So first of all, I will solve this. So first of all, I will solve this middle of the linked list. I have also solved this question. So let's revise it first. Yeah, I have also solved this question, I think. Oh my God. What this question says, we have to find the middle of the linked list. Given the head of the single linked list, return the middle node of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first of all, I will solve this question. This friend, let's say, with what the question says. One, is it recording? Yes, it is recording. One, two, three, four, five. I have to find the middle of the linked list. Middle of the linked list. Here. So here it says, let's remove this. Where is eraser? Let's go. So it says to find the middle of the linked list. The question is one, two, three, four, five. So in this, what we can do is there are five elements. So means the middle always will be 5 by 2. 2.5 means this element. Yes, so it will be this element. So what we can do is we can say we can also use slow and fast pointer here. Slow moves by 1x speed and fast moves by 2x speed. When fast moves to last, we can say low will be in middle because let's say there are let's say fast moves to 10. Fast is at 10 here. Slow as it is 2x. By 2x I can find 10 and x equals to 5 and x what is x equals to slow means slow moves at 1x speed. Slow moves at 1x speed so it will always be in middle. So I can find the middle element through slow. But one question is here that if there is only one element, then it also should be in middle because it is the only first element. So I can say if head next equals to null, return head. Let's solve this question. Uh, slow equals to slow equals to slow equals to slow equals to it will be also be head. You can say if head next equals to null give me head by past it's not equals to null and then past next is not equals to null. I can say past moves by 1x speed. That's- Sorry, slow moves by 1x speed. Give me slow. Return slow else return null. Okay, boy. No, it is also will be there. Okay, it is correct. Let me get through this. So my answer is right. Now I will solve the reverse one because I have also solved this. I want to check whether I can solve it or not. Reversal English. Let's go. What is this was? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. I have to reverse it like this. What I can do here is, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I can use 3 pointers. Let's say previous. Previous points to null, current points to head, and my forward also points to, let's say, null now. What I can do now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can say while my current does not reach to null, while current is not equals to null, point the current towards previous. As I can say, my previous is null now. So I can say point my current towards null and my previous and move the previous to current. Okay. And now move the forward to current next. Sorry. Move the forward to current next and move the current to here. Let's say here now. Okay. Then I can again move the current. Let's say here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can say my current moves to null, and while my current moves here, I can say its points to previous. And my previous moves here once. And then I can say current moves to forward, and forward is also here. Let's say So like this, I can move the current to last. Let's say it will become at last here. Can say there would be point where current will be moved to here. And once current reaches null, my program should stop and return me previous one. And previous. So it will do like this. So three, two, one. Let's go fa- equals to fast equals to head. Not sorry, not fast. I will use current. Let's say previous. Previous equals to null. Let node start. Current equals to head. Sorry, equals to head. List node start forward. Also equals to null now. Okay. While current is not equals to null, I can say move the forward to cur next and move the to cur should point cur next should point toward my previous and my previous should go to current. Okay. And once my current uh, moves to previous and previous moves to current, then I can say current moves to forward. I can say return the previous, give my answer. Yo, it's correct because I have already solved this question before. What I can solve now? What's the linked list? Middle of the linked list. I think I've also solved the palindrome, but I did not understand how to do it. Let's say go through palindrome one and do it. Because I'll solve like 8 or 10 days before. I have also read the solution. That's what I can solve it. What I've done here, I've used the reverse and bullish palindrome one. What I've done here, I've taken was to reverse it and then is palindrome. While turn, I think it is to find the middle. Okay, okay. I cannot understand it. Let me do myself, but I have problem in this. How to make this? I have to learn it first. Goal is palindrome list notes are had. Okay, but how to do this? Let's do it myself. What is my question is palindrome list. Text list. Apply the filter or not filtered. Yes, it is there. Okay, let's go. Let's start this value. Let's see how it goes. Towards here, palindrome English. So it says 1221, 1221. I can say this value is palindrome because by reversing it, the value comes same. Reverse. I can use another color. No, I want to delete it, bro. This color is also good. And then this one, this color is also good. Can I use the white background here? It is white. My God, it's too white. Can I use the lighter bright, like lighter custom? No, which color? More color custom, like this much. This white is the white is missing here. White is not rubbing, bro. So this looks also good. Yes, this looks way better than before. No colors look the best here. Let's say what I can do is in this palindrome is 1, 2, 2, 1. I can cut it by half. Okay, I can find the middle element by slow and fast pointer. Fast pointer. I do it is by can find this by slow and fast pointer. But one thing I have to do here is I have to reverse it because I have to check from here. So first I have to do find the middle element, then convert it into reverse it. Okay. Once the reverse is done, I can check. My condition will be wide, slow, not equals to null, and slow value equals to slow value, add value. I can say there will be a movement when the slow reaches null. If slow reaches null, then I can say what I can say that it is palindrome because it reaches last. Let's see if I can solve this or not. Yes, palindrome is there, but I don't have. I have this, but I don't have reverse one. First, I have to make the reverse one. Reverse is star head. No, yes, this star current is star null, not null head. I solved this question now only. Yes, no, star. What was next? Forward. Null while current is not equals to null. Forward moves by two steps. One step. Cur- Current and current pursue forward Do I have to return? No, I have to just reverse it. It's palindrome. So I have to find the middle of the element now. List, no, start, path, what's the fast of the element. Also, uh, current not equals to null. In this, I have to find the middle. Okay, while fast if not equals to null and fast null and then fast next not equals to null. While fast is not equals to null and fast and next is not equals to null and fast is not equals to null and fast and next is not equals to null. Then that's why us 2x speed followed by below match 1x speed. Okay, now I can say slow equals to reverse. Once I reverse the slow, I have to check whether the head first value is comparing it or not. While 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 slow is not, what did I write here? While slow is not equals to null. While slow is not equals to null and then low, where is slow. By one step, slow moves by one step and fast moves by not fast. Head moved by one step. I have to check whether it is correct on orbiter. Last slow is equals to around six. What does this? Eh? Cave. Tabular. Waste. Dark. Okay. I can say return. Slow. Current. Or previous. Between pointer and integer. Pointer and integer. Okay. Head value. Yo. God. Now I can say I can solve this by myself if I use the correct answer. I was actually confused in this. Was linked list. Well, list cycle to column. What is this question? Let's do this. Huh? And return its head. What is this question given head of an element of nth node from the end of a list? Nth node. How I will know whether it is the nth node or not? First, okay. The end from end of it. Terminology to stop the slow cut at the node immediately. Match a terminology which are featured at the very beginning of head node. When remove the end node, you goal is always to stop the slow pointer at the node immediately before the one. That's it. Yeah, the minute that and what is this? This and it's currently to be between one and the end length of the link is. Let's say my head is here. I have to remove the two. So, let's remove 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Explain. Don't give me solution, bro. The 2, 3, 1, 7. How do I traverse it, bro? I can't understand. And no, the lectures. Three, four, five, two, three, four. Answer should be, let's say, 52. Yes? Then what I can do is, what's it? I cannot understand it. To use the logic. Which way will logic go? Eh? pointer is here. I have to go from last delete. Oh, I can delete. I can just points to null. This understand. Let's make one also. But current is equals to null. Now the current to head. Current to next. And x becomes x plus clutch. Okay. First it will run here. And that's my right. my n is 5 and x is also 5 and I can plan my head can move point from here to there. 2. I have to remove this. But how I can know whether it is true or not? Once my let's check current moves here. I can do this 5, 4, 3, 2. কখন যাবে? কি? হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে। Current, I have to somehow adjust to this. Let's say if I for this. Let's try. Next. Okay. Okay. Minus. 5 4 3. But how I will know whether it is true or not? Can I use reverse? Let's say if I use reverse, but then the answer will also be wrong. 5 4 3 2 1. Let's say I use reverse. Okay. Let's say I use reverse. 1 2 3 4 5, and it becomes 5 4 3 2 1. Okay. Then I remove this. 5 3 2 1, and then reverse this. I know there is a simpler technique, but I can't think of it now. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5. Yes, let's do that. The head in and okay, but and I can use head, not head forward. It's and let's say I use this too, and it hmm, current equals to forward. Please give me return where value kid. It's let's public But how I will look first? But the curtain next. That's a और कल नेक्स्ट क्या होगा यार? फर्स्ट कैसे रखूंगा? समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो क्या रहा है। But you are trying to revert the list but to pass current which is null after your first loop. Or yes, instead of reversing customer to find node in one pass. Okay, this stores this nodes. Int equals to UI less than and move fast and steps ahead. While fast next is not equals to null point, move both until fast reaches the end. No, next delete करना है. How it is doing all this? I can't understand it. Dummy node before that. Okay, dummy node always shifted fast. Move fast forward 10 steps. Let's say fast moves 10 steps. Okay, while fastness is not equals to null. I cannot understand it. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What does this test to remove? Yeah, it is 2. So we have to remove this. But how can I do this? What it does is it moves already and steps ahead. Thus it moves 1, fast moves when I is less than n0. Plus it moves very fast. First moves to here in 0. Okay. 1 here. First, fast is here first at 0. Then 1, fast is here. No, no, sorry. At 0, fast moves to here. And at 1, fast moves to here. Okay. Fast is here. It is already 3 and 4, 5. Let's say already here. Let's say I initialize slow and fast here until it is null. Fast next, slow fast, both together. Oh, sorry. The fast is here. Let's say, and slow is here. Let's say fast moves from here, slow moves to here. Fast moves here. Okay. Slow and fast moves here. But I cannot. In I am problem here. Move and I equals to 0. Fast equals to fastness. Here, fast equals to fastness here. Okay, fast is here. And fast equals to fastness here. Fast is always there. Let's say, say fast is there and slow is there. Fast move one step ahead, slow move one step ahead. Fast move one step ahead, slow move one step ahead. Fast, fast moves towards null. It cannot run so fast is here. So I know that I have to remove this. So there is automatically a gap. What I can do is I can simply do slow next equals to slow next equals to slow next next. Okay. And I can give a temporary node star list node. Sorry. I forgot what I was saying. So I can say I can give list node start temp equals to s next. Okay. So I can remove this one, this value here. This value I can remove. So I will really delete temp, delete my temp value. Ah, I don't know why this, I cannot erase this one. To this side to delete temp. Then what I can do? Slow next and next. Sorry. Slow next directly points to slow next and next. Okay. Now I think I can do this. Okay. Dummy. New list node. Zero head. Can I directly give head to it? Delete temp. Return dummy next. Return dummy next. What the same return. That's it. I don't do this. Equals to head. Let's say it is pointing to my head also. For and I equals to 0. Then N is already given. Let's say my fast moves 1x speed. Fast equals to fast next N plus plus. That is just okay. I don't have to do this. My bad. Let's say my fast moves two steps. Uh, it is two, so it goes already above. While now I understand that while fast is not equals to null. Well, Yeah. Let's say I have to make a temporary node. Let's do no. Next, delete temp. Delete my temporary value, but before it slow. Next, equals to slow. Next, next. What? But what if my value is, let's say it is five or five. Return my current. Okay, I think this will work for all. Huh? Did you mean list nodes? It is long. Fix this, bro. Huh? Oh my god, I can understand it now. Association member likes value that is currently in MC plus or referencing a content dependent person and is also statement. Eh? What is wrong here? The code does not indicate that you need to move the first node. Why? The word never runs and slow next equals to the what I was doing wrong. Okay, if there is a move in your value blue, is while fast is not equals to null. Let's say, can I do this? To delete a most was standing on the node system. While fast is not equals to null. You use while passing on this causes slow to stop on the node. Much less standing on the node visiting means frequency in most center. By the time your while loop and slow is already at the target when you do slow and super. That is because you said slow now you change the link first. Okay, okay. And do this now. You change the link first, okay, and then we will say now. Again the same problem will occur. Tell the problem what I can do instead. Past equals to null. You know, past equals to null. Let's hit most for last time. Right? Past equals to null. अगर मेरा फास्ट इन नल हो जाता है या फास्ट लास्ट तक पहुंच जाता है if fast in null then n was the length of the list हाँ तो list list node star temp equals to head delete head होगा ना head points to head next. and return head. Okay. हेड थोड़ी ना करना है यार। First to the last one. Not null. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For loop fast moves to F3. Fast is at 3. Okay. Fast moves to 4. Okay. And fast moves to 5. Fast moves to null. But why it will move to null? Okay. Okay. While fast is not. So it can be null. That is the question. I am confused, bro. Why? Please explain. As fast should not be null. It will only stop one fast. Oh, so it will not stop at null. While fast moves to null. No, and the code was while fast is not equals to null. The computer follows that instruction literally. It will only stop once fast actually becomes null. After follow fast is at 3. No. Null, yes. By null, no. So, okay. 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 समझ गया. I think this will be correct answer right now. Thank you friends for this. Wait, watching this video till now. I must I must tell you that this question has actually uh, broken, not broken, but confused my mind. I hope that I would be able to solve more question tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching till this time. Oh my God, I think I have to solve this question. I have to again see this question today before bed. This question was interesting not because it was hard, because it was confusing for me personally. I think it was actually very confusing for me. I hope that I do my best again tomorrow. Uh, so I will stop this video right here.